The small tablet is dead. Or at least, that's what the critics have been saying for the last 5 years. They told us that phones were getting too big and laptops were getting too light for a mini tablet to exist. But Apple just did something that is going to make every single one of those critics eat their words. If you've been holding on to your old iPad mini, waiting for a reason to finally upgrade, or if you've been tempted by the giant Pro models but hated the bulk, your patience is about to be rewarded in a way you never saw coming. This is the iPad mini M5. We are talking about the most powerful compact computer ever built. A device that puts the power of a high-end MacBook into a frame that fits in your back pocket. This is no longer just an e-reader or a luxury notepad. This is a 2-nanometer beast that is about to redefine what it means to be mobile. Today, we are breaking down the secret shift to the M5 chip, the arrival of the tandem OLED display, and why this tiny tablet is currently Apple's most dangerous product. Let's start with the brain of the operation, the M5 Silicon. For the longest time, the Mini was treated like a secondary citizen, often getting a hand-me-down iPhone chip. But with the iPad mini M5, Apple has finally realized that the Mini audience isn't casual, it's professional. By jumping straight to the M5 architecture, built on the revolutionary 2-nanometer process, this tablet now has more raw computing power than most high-end Windows laptops on the market today. We are looking at an 8-core CPU and a 10-core GPU that can handle 8K video editing, complex 3D rendering in Octane, and AAA gaming without even getting warm. The thermal management on a device this small shouldn't be possible, but the efficiency of the M5 chip allows it to sustain peak performance for hours. This isn't just fast for its size. It is fast, period. But power is useless if the screen can't keep up. For years, the iPad mini community has suffered through jelly scrolling and mediocre LCD panels. Those days are officially over. The iPad mini M5 features the first ever 8.7-inch tandem OLED display. This is the same dual-layer technology found in the latest iPad Pros, offering 1,600 nits of peak HDR brightness and an infinite contrast ratio. When you watch a movie or edit a photo on the screen, the blacks are perfectly ink-like, and the highlights pop with a searing intensity that makes the images look three-dimensional. And yes, the moment we've all been waiting for. Promotion has finally arrived. The 120Hz refresh rate makes every swipe, every scroll, and every stroke of the Apple Pencil feel as fluid as water. It makes the previous mini models feel like they're moving in slow motion. Now let's talk about the design, because this is where the mini philosophy reaches its final form. The bezels have been shaved down even further, giving you more screen real estate in a footprint that remains identical to the classic mini size. But there's a hidden upgrade here. The vibration-based acoustic aperture speaker system. Apple has removed the traditional speaker grills to create a more seamless, water-resistant chassis. The sound now resonates directly through the frame of the device, creating a wider, more immersive soundstage that defies the laws of physics. It feels like the sound is coming from the air around you, not from a small piece of aluminum. The